Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Imagine having the power to bring your architectural designs, construction plans, and technical documents to life with precision and ease. That's exactly what the HP DesignJet T830 large format multifunction wireless plotter printer offers, and I'm excited to dive into its incredible features and benefits. First, let's talk about who this printer is ideal for. If you're an architecture studio or construction office looking for a reliable and space-saving solution for printing, scanning, and copying technical documents, the HP DesignJet T830 is perfect for you. Its compact design and multifunction capabilities make it an excellent choice for offices that need to communicate effectively without sacrificing valuable space. With the ability to print, scan, and copy technical documents, you can streamline your workflow, enhance collaboration, and take your projects to the next level. One of the standout features of this printer is its media handling capabilities. The HP DesignJet T830 can handle a wide range of media sizes, from 8.3 to 24 inches wide sheets and 11 to 24 inches rolls. This flexibility is a game changer for professionals who work with various document sizes and types. The printer also features a sheet feed, roll feed, input tray, media bin, and automatic cutter, making it easy to manage your prints and minimize waste. Whether you're printing large format designs or smaller technical documents, this printer has got you covered. In today's digital age, security is a top priority, and the HP DesignJet T830 doesn't disappoint. This printer features dynamic security, which ensures that your prints and data are protected from unauthorized access. Additionally, the printer uses HP's secure cartridge technology, which means that cartridges with non-HP chips may not work, and those that do work today may not work in the future. This added layer of security gives you peace of mind, knowing that your sensitive documents and data are safe from prying eyes. Now, let's talk about connectivity. The HP DesignJet T830 offers a range of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Gigabit Ethernet, and mobile printing capabilities. With the HP ePrint and HP Smart app, you can print directly from your iOS, Android, or Chrome OS device, making it easy to print on the go. You can also print via email, which is perfect for remote teams or offices with multiple locations. The printer's wireless connectivity and mobile printing capabilities make it easy to integrate into your existing workflow, whether you're working from the office or on a job site. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T830 large format multifunction wireless plotter printer is an incredible tool for architecture studios, construction offices, and any professional who needs to print, scan, and copy technical documents with precision and ease. With its compact design, versatile media handling, robust security features, and seamless connectivity options, this printer is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and take their projects to the next level. If you're ready to experience the power and versatility of the HP DesignJet T830, find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on one today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your workflow and unlock your full potential. Join the thousands of professionals who have already discovered the benefits of the HP DesignJet T830. Thanks for watching.